Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by NALCO, that is National Aluminium Company Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, NALCO is a Navratna Central PSU company and having its corporate office at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So they have released a couple of vacancy in different domains. So for finance domain, they have released vacancy for Deputy Manager Finance. It's a E2 grade vacancy. There are total 4 vacancies, out of which 2 are for unreserved category candidates and rest are all for reserved category candidates. Here the qualification asked is degree in any discipline with either a CA or CMA. So you need to have a basic graduation degree along with your CA or CMA degree, then only you are eligible to apply. Here they have also asked experience. Candidate should have experience as an executive officer in government or PSU or reputed or leading organization. So what is this reputed or leading organization? That they have mentioned in the table 2, which we will discuss shortly. And you should have exposure in sales accounting, treasury, fund management, investment proposals. All the finance related experience is asked here. Now the table 2, it's related to your pay scale, minimum period and experience required. So for deputy manager E2 grade, here the pay scale is 70,000 to 2 lakh. You should have experience in at least a pay grade of 60,000 to 1,80,000 as per IDA pattern, and your pay scale as per central government or state government, it should be level 9 pay scale, that is of 53,100 to 1,67,800. So in this pay scale grade you should have at least your experience as asked by the company. And if you are working in a private company or other sector, then your CTC should be 13.65 lakh, then only you are eligible to apply. Here your minimum experience asked is 5 years and it should be as on 10th December 2022, and upper age limit is 35 years as on again 10th December 2022, then you are eligible to apply. So I hope this table is clear that they are asking 5 years of experience, upper age limit as 35 years. Here if you are working in a private sector, then you should have at least CTC of 13.65 lakh, then only you are eligible. And if you are working in a central government or state government, then you should be in the level 9 pay scale. And if you are working in other organization as per IDA pattern, then it should be 60,000 to 1,80,000 pay scale, then you are eligible to apply. Now they have mentioned that candidate working in government or PSUs applying for the above post must have 2-year experience in immediate lower pay scale. So you need to have at minimum 2 years of experience in immediate lower pay scale, then eligible to apply. And reputed or leading organization in relation to present or current experience refer to listed companies or companies having an annual turnover of 250 crores. So here they are not asking your experience in a small organization. You should have experience in at least 250 crore or above companies experience, or it should be a listed company, then only your such experience will be counted. And candidate working on contract basis through an empaneled agency or contractor will not be considered. So do keep this in mind. But they have mentioned if you have direct work experience including a fixed term basis employment, then it will be considered. So suppose you joined a PSU companies on a fixed term employment basis, then such experience will be counted. Now the compensation. So they have not mentioned how much will be the compensation paid to you. So it will be as per the industry standard, and apart from your basic pay you will be paid all other benefits of the company. Now the selection process. So friends, here the selection will be based on the application filed by you. So they will shortlist you directly for the GD and interview. Your assessment will be done through group discussion and personal interview, and your GD will have 25% weightage and 75% weightage will be given to your personal interview. Placement, you can be posted anywhere in India or abroad of the offices of NALCO as per their requirement. There will not be any application fee to apply for these posts, so that's really a good thing. Now how to apply? You can apply through online mode by visiting company's website career section, and you don't need to send hard copy of your application. Now important dates. Friends, online application is already started from 11th November 2020 2022, and last date to apply for online application is 10th December 2022 5 p.m. So by this date you have to make an application. So friends, if you find this vacancy useful, give it a try, since it is for experienced candidate only, and here the selection will be purely based on your GD and PI. There will not be any written test. So if you want to switch your existing job, or you want a better, looking for a better opportunity, you can give it a try, and do share with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.